Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download GO2Bank application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, tap open your App Store from your iOS device. Go to the search box at the top and type in GO2Bank. Once you get to the search results, look for this application that says GO2Bank Mobile Banking. Tap on the Get button to begin downloading the application. Once prompted, enter your Apple ID and password, and you will then be able to download and install the app. Once it is finished, tap on Open to launch the app on your iOS device. So that is how you can easily get GO2Bank application on your iOS device within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.